Hi guys, I got another simple recipe. I'm gonna bake today, but it's easy, so don't anybody run away yet. You all know I'm not always the good baker. We're gonna do Pillsbury crescent roll-ups with Nutella, hazelnut spread, some walnuts, and we'll finish with a icing. Okay, let's hope this works out. Work with me. So I'm gonna put a little bit of hazelnut spread on each of them. Not overkill. Put a little bit. This goes fairly quick. That's what I like about it. It's not difficult, but it turns into the most delicious. I'm already having a little difficulty. Stay with me. It turns into the most delicious dessert. And if you like me, when I have company, I like to serve something that is delicious, looks elegant, but isn't hard. I'm not a baker. I'm a confessed non-baker. I want simple. I have a handful of them, and I'll do them as time goes by. I have a wonderful, boring vanilla cake with a little bit of orange that I got out of a book. It's really nice. That's good. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so far so good. It's easy. Okay. You with me? How many people clicked away already? I'm just playing. I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing with you. Okay, this guy's hanging over the board here. I don't stress this. Did you see when I did my video with the pecan tassie cookies? Oh man, was I stressed out. I had my my mixer on the wrong speed. I had everything wrong. Everything I could do wrong, I did. But you know what? This is not a cooking show. This is YouTube fun, videos, channels to help people, the home cooks like me. All right, let's take a little bit of walnuts. And this is my take. I think in the recipe I seen there's tons. There's tons. This is by no means original for anyone. This is old classic 70s Pillsbury what to do with. If you just Google Pillsbury, they'll help you out. But like I said, this I believe you could put hazelnuts if you want. Whatever you want to fill. There's so many. So many. And I'm going to be making them because I like this. I'm into this. I think it's easy. I got the oven preheating at 375 working with me. I love walnuts. You could use any nut, I would imagine. You could do almonds, hazelnuts, whatever you like. And I had said we always have walnuts because Vinny eats them with his cereal every morning. And I eat them because they're super healthy for you. It's like brain food. Walnuts are brain food. And there was this chart I used to have, I want to get again. And it told you all the health benefits of the different foods. Why a group of grapes are good for something. Oh, I can't even think of it right now. Onion, if you cut it in half, it's like the cells of your body, and that's why red onions are good for you. Now we roll them up, okay? Just like the regular recipe. Ooh la la, not bad. And I'm going to put them on my new little baking sheet. I put a piece of foil because I have a new baking sheet because although I don't bake, I use it for lots of things and fish and other things. And I can tell you how many I have burnt and messed up. And I'm funny. The one quirky thing about me, if I'm going to share anything, because I don't have a baking story today, I have nothing to say. I don't bake a lot. But I do have a story to tell you. I burn these pans. I don't know why. They just, and then if they're not clean, it drives me nuts when I see it all. My mom was fanatical about that. Her pan shined. She could pull out a 10-year-old pan, frying pan. There were no burn marks on the bottom or the edges or this and that. I remember her showing me physically. Here, you wash it. You put elbow grease. And she was right because I do that treatment and baby my all-clad. My all-clad is like my diamonds of cookware. You know, like Gordon Ramsay now, he has the cookware out there, the pans, and he calls them the Rolls Royce of cooking. I gotta say, I'm intrigued. I want to see because there's nothing better than a great. Look at them, looking nice. Come on now, that's not too bad for me, right? Okay, see, I'm not a good technical baker. Like, if it involves too much hand things like this, I get nervous. I want it perfect, naturally, but nothing's perfect, right? It's as perfect as I'm going to get it, but I'm betting it's going to be delicious. Okay, so now, let me get rid of this. They have to go in a 375-degree oven for about anywhere, I guess, from 10 to 13 minutes. And then I'll come out and show you how they look. We'll powder them up and they'll be delicious. So let me do that now and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, here they are. They took 13 minutes to cook. I'll put everything in the description for the directions. All we have to do now is powder, sugar them up, and taste them. Okay. I haven't done this in so long. And you know what I love about this? They're done in 13 minutes. You could serve this hot while your dinner guests are chatting and waiting for coffee and dessert. I mean, come on, 15 minutes. And then you serve them piping hot to the table if you like, or like me, I gave them 10 minutes to calm down, to cool down. And let's see. A little low on my sugar. I have to replenish. I have it in the thing. Now, if you wanted, you could do other toppings. You could have drizzled some melted chocolate on the top. The ideas are endless. So let's see. Let's taste one. Okay. I want one with lots of chocolate in it. Or a small one. Let's go for this guy. This guy looks good here. Okay. Yeah. Very similar to a chocolate croissant. Nice. Really, really good. I'm not used to using Nutella. And when I just Googled and read up how long, or do I have to refrigerate it? You don't have to refrigerate it, which is excellent. It lasts 6 months on the shelf. Keep it in your cupboard, and you can make this whenever you want. We know you can keep crescent rolls in the freezer, in the fridge, wherever have you, and always have a fun, fast dessert handy whenever you need. How cool is that? Look at those. Beautiful crescent roll, hazelnut dessert, little croissants. Good. Later, and if you like this content, please subscribe.